Your LinkedIn profile gives you the ability to display your company, your current employer, and your college in what I refer to as the top card or the top section of your LinkedIn profile. You can see my good buddy Randy Wooden. He's got his employer up here and he's got his college up here. Now, but there may be a few reasons why you want to use my style and not show your employer and or your college up top. A lot of different reasons. Let's talk about a few. Maybe you're in this transition mode and you're about ready to start leaving the employer you're working for. So you don't want to highlight that. Maybe you didn't go to college or you didn't finish college, so you don't want to put that up here either. Maybe there's some biases out there regarding your employer, and you don't want to make those biases fester or develop by leading with that information. Maybe you work for an employer who is in the news and you know that someone's going to want to message you and ask you some ridiculous question in your mind about that employer. So you don't want that messaging. So you're not going to lead with that information up here, make it less likely for people to, again, pester you because of where you work. Maybe there's a privacy thing. Maybe there's some other reason for you that you don't want to lead with your employer or your college name up here. It's really pretty easy to change. And you go up here, hit the pencil, and you scroll down here, show current company in my intro, show school in my intro box. Those are the two boxes that you would click to be able to put your current employer and your college information in your top card. Now, one more reason why I think it's useful not to show this information is look what it does to your headline. It jams it down and squeezes it. I like the fact that if you write a really impactful headline, keyword rich, focused on your target audience, telling them who you are and what you do relevant to them or want to do relevant to them, let's lead with that information and make that all the way across to get the greatest impact you can with your headline. Hey, I'm Teddy. I love doing these videos on how to use LinkedIn as a business tool, and I hope this is helpful for you.